Wituś. Jak Wituś robi? Bam!
That's right, that is how you go. Jak samochód robi? Vroom. That's right, that's how the car goes. And they're the only two you know.
Wituś, jak piesek robi? He kind of knows that.
How?
He sometimes goes, ha.
Really?
Yeah.
I haven't seen that. Jak piesek robi? How? Jak Wituś robi? Bam! That's right. That's exactly how Wituś robi. And can you say mama? Mama.
How about ta?
Yay!
Bam!
What about ba?
Mama? Up close and personal.
That's right. Very intimate footage of Vincent before. Can you say gaga? Vincent, can you do this? What did Arnie Shell teach you? Can you go ah ba 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 ba? Ah ba 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 ba. Hey, Peter. And what about ah ba 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 ba? Ah ba 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 ba. Yada kitty yada kitty.
Bedtime? Bedtime, Wituś? Look at blonde. Look how much lighter his hair is compared to you.
Tata.
How about mama? Mama.
But what about Tata? Can you turn the light off? Can you turn it off? No. That's already on. Can you turn it off? Good boy! Yay! Now can you turn it on? Yay! And how about off? Can you turn it off? Can you turn it off? Harder to go down. Can you turn it off? Yay! You turned it off for once instead of on. Can you turn it on though? Lampa! But can you turn it off? Come on, you can turn it off. Yay! Where'd the lamp go? Okay, but can you turn it on? He was never very good at turning it downwards, but he seems to be getting the hang of it.
Fine motor skills.
He's using his non-preferred hand too.
And look, he switches immediately.
He always has done both, I think.
Yeah. Well, his left hand is absolutely his preferred one.
Hey Vincent, can you... Oh, there we go! But how about on? Can you turn it on? Can you turn it on? you want to go say hi to Lampa, your best friend? Hi. Say hi, Lampa. Can you say hi, Mama? Hi. Can you say hi?
Hi, Vitush.
Hi, Mama.
Hi, Vitush.
All right.
Okay.
We're good.
Can you say Nyani? He wants to. Oh. Nyani. Can you say Nyani? Nyani. Nyani. All right. Bye, Vitush. Bye. Goodbye. Mwah. Mwah.